Lesson 2: Multiplication of complementary numbers. Multiplication of complementary numbers is based on two Vedic mathematics principles: by one more than the previous one, and sum of last digits is 10. What do we mean by multiplication of complementary numbers, and when can we apply these principles? So, we use these principles when the following two conditions are true. Both these conditions need to be true. The tens place digit is the same in both the numbers, and the units place digit adds up to 10. We use the principles only when both these conditions are satisfied. Let's try to understand this better with the help of a few examples. Let's multiply 42 into 48. The tens place digits are the same, and the units place digits 8 and 2 add up to 10. So both our conditions are satisfied and we can apply the principle. Let's see how to solve this. To solve this, we multiply the tens place digit by one more than itself. The tens place digit is 4, one more than itself is 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. That's the first part of our answer. The second part of our answer is got by simply multiplying the units place digits 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. Hence, 42 into 48 is 2016. Let's look at another example. Let's multiply 56 into 54. Our tens place digits are the same, and our units place digits 6 and 4 add up to 10, so we can apply the principle. So let's see how to solve this. Step 1. Multiply the tens place digit 5 by one more than itself, that is 6. So 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. That's the first part. Second part, multiply the ones place digits with each other. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Hence, 56 multiplied by 64, 56 multiplied by 54 is 3024. Let's try another example. Multiply 81 by 89. Our tens place digits are the same, 8. Our ones place digits 1 and 9 add up to 10. Both the conditions are satisfied. So let's solve. We multiply the tens place digit 8 by one more than itself, that is 9. So 8 into 9 is 72. That's the first part of our answer. The units place digits, we multiply 1 into 9. 1 into 9, we put 09 because we need to have two digits there. So 81 into 89 is 7209. Let's look at another example where we can apply the same principle to three-digit numbers. We can use the same principle for three-digit numbers as long as the two conditions are satisfied. In this case, we take 2 and 8 are the ones place digits. They add up to 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. The first condition is satisfied. And we take 11 to be one number. So in this case, both the tens place digits are the same. In this case, the tens and the hundreds place digits are the same, so both the conditions are satisfied. So we solve it in the same way. Let's see. Step 1. We multiply 11 by 1 more than itself. 1 more than 11 is 12. So 11 multiplied by 12 is 132. That's the first part of our answer. And the second part is got by multiplying the two units place digits together. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. So that's our answer. 112 multiplied by 118 is 13,216. Let's practice. Let's practice to solve multiplying two complementary numbers. As you can see, all these numbers satisfy both the conditions. The tens place digits are the same and the ones place digits add up to 10. Hence, we can apply the principle and solve the problem. You may want to pause the video at this point and try to solve these problems. Here are the answers to the practice problems. Let's practice a few more problems. Multiply these two complementary numbers. And here are the answers to the problems.